Good morning, guys. We are starting a new vlog. It is the start to my holiday. I'm literally up at 3 a.m. in the morning, about to leave my house, packed for the dogs. We are going to start making our journey. Guys, I'm leaving the dogs. Bye, baby. You're gonna be in safe hands. I've officially arrived. Huong just dropped me off. The travelling commences. I gotta admit, I feel a bit silly, dressed up as if I'm on holiday, and it's so freaking cloudy down here. We have arrived in the departure lounge. Now it's time to relax. I've got like 3 hours to kill and then 4 hours flight to Malta. The whole entire time I will be editing because a video still needs to be up for tomorrow. We got to keep on grinding. Now, I've just met a follower. Oh, he recognized me. And we was color coordinated as well. Yeah, it was really cute. I love meeting you guys. Pouring down with rain. Sunshine, here we come. Going on a little ferry. Look how blue the sea looks. I am barely wearing anything and I am sweating buckets. You think you want sunshine, you think you want heat until you're in it. The humidity kills you. We're gonna go for dinner. I'm looking forward to it. I had a very light lunch. I did my makeup quickly. I've done something very subtle, which I'm digging. At this sunset, taking a slow pace because I want to inhale all this in. The smell, the seafront, everything's just like so indulgent. We are going to eat right by the seafront. Can we just take a moment and take this in? Breathtaking. Reservation right by the water. How beautiful is this scenery? I got a cocktail. Everyone's saying that this is meant to be really good. I don't know how to pronounce it. This looks yummy. I got grilled chicken and vegetables and potatoes, and we've got some pasta over here. I fell asleep so early last night. I was shattered to the bones, but we're going out to have some coffee and fine breakfast. I feel like I need a bit of caffeine in me to wake me up. It's a nice, sunny and glorious day in Malta. So we're spreading our travels in different parts of Malta. So I'm in Gozo at the moment. I'll be staying here for the next 4 days. Sunday I'll be staying in Malta. At the moment I'm staying on a little small island. So hot though, guys, like uncontrollably hot. I literally had a shower and then I had to jump in and have a shower again. This is a holiday. Stop moaning, Huong. Can I say I'm digging these sunglasses that I'm wearing today? I bought these sunglasses chain. I think it looks really cute. A bit chavvy, but hi. Today we've got such a nice breeze as well. Apparently in the next couple of days there is strong wind. In combination with the sunshine and a bit of breeze, it feels like heaven on earth. I am going to a market this morning. It's called Nadur Market. I don't know whether we're going to make it in time because apparently it closes quite early. I'm going to have a little wander around and see if I can find some hidden treasures. Everywhere you go, you'll find that they have loads of churches. Stunning view, especially at night time when it lights up. I'm going to show you guys the market and see if we can find some summery stuff. I overpacked, so I don't know if it's a good idea for me wandering around. It's a very small market, I have to say. So there's loads of bags, loads of grandma vibes, as that's what you're looking for. I was a bit too optimistic. I was thinking I'll find some hidden gems, but if you want to come here and do a bit of like pots and pans and knife and forks, maybe it's your thing. This market is not for me. You'll find that when you're in Malta, they don't have gas supply directly. You've got these like delivery where they'll supply your gas and you just purchase the tank. So this is how they cook. Sitting by the square at the moment. We're going to have a drink while we wait for a friend. We decided that we're going to go and find lunch, and we're in the capital of Gozo, which is Victoria. This is the main town in Gozo. The building here is very unique. It's mainly yellow. I don't know, this is even called bricks. We're just heading along the high street and the traffic is crazy here during the afternoon. At 7:10. Oh, I'm so hungry. My lunch looks delicious. Got a baguette, we have some chips and then a wrap. I'm trying Malta's soft drink. It's called Kini. It tastes so good. It's like a bit of Coca-Cola with a hint of spice and berry in there. Right up my alley. I went for a bright red lip today. I wanted to feel a bit summery. I'm gonna try and have a light dinner, but I don't know how that's gonna go because that never works out. Huong's always got eyes bigger than her stomach. Eating dinner by the water. This view is so pretty. Hope I don't fall into the water. Dinner looks delicious. Got some chicken, we've got some beef, and they always give you vegetables as a side dish over here. Morning, guys. Oh my god, I am trying to catch up on my sleep. I feel so tired this morning, but we gotta be up nice and early because today we are going to Comino, which is a famous little blue lagoon island of Gozo. I've been there twice, but today we're going to attempt to go to a different part of the little island, which is apparently meant to be a bit more quieter, so it's more tranquil. Is that how we say it? So we need to go to the port. There'll be a little boat that you can pay for and it'll take you to the island. It's around about maybe under 5 minutes little boat journey. It's beautiful. Every time that I've been there, it's taken my breath away. It's just so small, but it gets so busy because this is the main attraction to Malta. Get nice, brown and crispy like a little bacon. Morning I get up, I see another lash on the bed. Yesterday I lost 3 lashes already. It's getting shorter and shorter. But I'm like, no. They just make you feel like you're put together. I'm trying to avoid touching my eyes, do my makeup close to my eyelid. I normally wear like eyeliner and everything. Haven't done that because I'm so scared to fuck up these lashes. Each day it depresses me to wake up and find another lash. I lost 4 this morning. And I decided to do my hair up today because I remember sweating so much and my hair was just flying all over my face. I love like a glossy lip. However, sand, wind, sea, not a good combination. I'm wearing all white today and I feel very summery. I'm sure I applied on a thick layer of suntan because today I'm planning to sunbathe all day and hopefully your girl will come back with a glow. I just came outside and oh my god, it looks so cloudy. How frustrating is this? On the day that I want to go out and enjoy the sunshine, the cloud decides to come out and play. But let's hope that we bring the sunshine today. I'm going to be optimistic. So we're just going to go to a little port where we're going to find breakfast and then we're going to get on a little boat to go across to the island. I've been to this island, I think this will be my 3rd time. Every single time I go there, I feel like it's like going for the first time. Moving down to Huongxo. This is the bay where we go down and get the boat. So we arrive at the little port. We wanted to grab breakfast, but it's not open until 9. So we came a bit early. So we've still got 25 minutes to kill. Oh, the sun is coming out now. This area is the Huongxo Bay. Oh, look how blue that is. So that's Comino. We're not going there today. We are going to Santa Maria, which is over here. This is Huongxo Bay. You literally can see to the ground. I'm a bit scared of height. I need to hold you guys on tight just in case you don't fall. I wouldn't actually mind taking a little dip right now. Girl needs to eat first. I'm gonna make use out of my selfie stick. Oh, look at the scenery. Living life. So we're just gonna go back to the kiosk and sit and wait patiently. People want to avoid the sun and sit in the shade. I'm like trying to get every ounce of sunshine that I can get, hit those shoulder blades. I'm having a full English breakfast, but chips in the morning. Girls going all out. Our little boat at the moment, but guys, oh my god, I just saw the lifeguard and he was so cute. Eye candy, I'm not complaining. Let me give you guys a sneak preview. Let me zoom you guys in. 2 fitties. We're about to sail off.
You want me on the floor for you, but I fell free the second that you left.
This scenery is just so freaking stunning. We are about to take a little dip. It was a really busy morning. It's all melted literally within 1 minute. So good. So jam-packed. It is literally holiday season. It looks delicious. I literally fell asleep. I had a freaking long nap. Felt so good. I woke up this evening and I was like, oh my god, it feels sore. Tender to the touch. I am a little burnt red cherry tomato. I didn't realise how hot it was. And when I was out there, I didn't feel like I was burning. I should listen to myself and sluther on more SPF. I'm Asian. I'm not gonna get burnt. This evening to go and get some Chinese. This is the only Chinese in the town. So we're in a little town called Shakira. That reminds me of Shakira. You know, the singer. It's a late morning, but I'm so sad. My lashes are coming off. I literally only have a few strands left on my right eye. I don't know why more lashes are falling out on this eye in comparison to this eye, so it looks uneven because I have a lot of oil, been wearing makeup. I haven't been looking after it very well, if I'm honest with you. I try my best. Lucky I did bring strip lashes, so when these come off, those are coming out to play. We are just gonna go and grab coffee, and today we're going to Valletta. Now they've recently introduced like a little quick ferry journey from Gozo to Valletta, which takes about 45 minutes, and it's meant to be a very fast ferry, so I'm looking forward to this little journey. Hopefully they have aircon in there, because if I'm sitting there for 45 minutes in the freaking blazing heat, I will not be a happy woman. I'm looking forward to seeing the capital of Malta. It'll be a fun day out. I wore shorts so I can tan my legs, but covering upstairs because it's not a cute situation. I couldn't be bothered to wear makeup today because it was so hot hot, I feel I'm gonna melt. But it feels actually so nice not to wear makeup. We are contemplating to go to the church. I'm not a religious person, but apparently it's meant to be beautiful. So we are getting on this ferry right here. If you are a Maltese resident, it's a lot cheaper. I think it's like €3. But if you are a tourist, you pay triple the price. There is actually 2 ferry that's available. One that's faster and one that's slower. This one is a bit more modern. It's only been introduced around about a year ago.
You want me beating on the floor for you, but I felt free the second that you left the room. I'm taking back my life. All you did was use it. You break it, you lose it.
It's literally jam-packed. It's because they're gonna fire the cannons down there. So it's literally 5 minutes away. So I might as well wait for it. That was an experience. My heart thumped for a little bit. So this is the free city. You can actually do like a little cruise around this area. I'm just gonna let you guys take a minute to take in this spectacular view. It is breathtaking. I don't think the camera does it any justice. A little tour around the harbour here. You'll see that they've filmed a lot of little movies in Malta. And Malta is known for their door knockers. Look how unique these are. It's interesting to look at. We are getting on one of these. Decided to sit right at the back where I have freedom, movement. Now we're taking a little tour of Valletta. So we've got this little beaker that is showing us around the little city. It's a start to the weekend. It's actually a Saturday over here in Malta and we have something exciting today. We are going to the Blue Hole. I think that's what it's called. So basically my friend has announced and said that I need to have some swimming shoes because it's going to be a rocky ride and I have to wear a backpack. Apparently it's a bit hard to get to this location, but it's going to be a beautiful scenery, which is what I'm excited about. I imagine there's going to be a bit of rock climbing. That's the reason why she's preparing me regarding to the footwear situation. I'm a young woman. I can do it. It is a bit nerve-wracking if I'm honest, but I'm so excited. This location is going to be breathtaking. Basically, it's a hole within the rock and cliff. You can see the beautiful scenery along with me. We're going to have a nice adventurous day. This is going to be one of the last full day that I have here in Gozo before I move to a different destination. So I'm next going to go St. Julian. So I'm going to stay there for the next 9 days. So I've been here for 4 days in Gozo. It's a lot more quieter than Malta, but it's been a pleasurable couple of days and now I feel that I'm ready to go on to my next part of adventure. But today's going to be another adventure within itself, so something for us to look forward to. I've got my space buns on. I've never tried this hairstyle before because it's so hot outside. I feel like I need to like have my hair up. My god, my eyes look so blue. They're contacts. These are from a brand called Just for Kira if you're interested. Azura Blue I think it is called. But anyway, we are going to go and find breakfast, make sure our belly's full and full of energy before we start our adventure. This is the direction that we're leading and my friend, she's leading the way. We are on top of the cliff. You look down there, it's a bit scary. So we are making our journey all the way down there. Oh, I'm a bit concerned. We've fully prepared. I've got my rucksack, my feet on. So this is the little trek that you have to go through to get to the Blue Hole. As you can see, it's going to be a tricky journey. So I'm going to put you guys away and I will meet you guys on the other side. Reach our destination. So we're at the Blue Hole, which is just there. So beautiful. Not a lot of people know about this place. It's a little hidden treasure. Oh my god, it looks so spectacular. It's like a little mini cave, so many rocks to duck and dive. So we're just leaving our bag here. I'm just hoping this is a safe spot. We're gonna do a bit of swimming inside here. I need to show you this view. It is so breathtaking. I can't believe that I'm actually here. So I literally jumped in that little hole there. That's the Blue Hole. But you guys know I'm not a strong swimmer and I was so scared. I was sitting there for 5 minutes quivering in my boots and I was like, let's take a leap of life, and I jumped off and oh my god, it is the most like free feeling that I've had in such a long time. I just feel like I'm on top of the world. But there's this other little spot that's like got a little jacuzzi in the middle and it is so amazing, and so I thought I need to take you guys along with me. It's a bit risque because we got a lot of water and a trek to climb to get to this other little spot. You need to be careful. I'm not in the right footwear if I'm honest with you. I'm wearing Skechers and you're meant to be wearing like swimming shoes. But we are taking a leap of life. Let's slowly pace yourself because I'm about to show you this, the best thing you've ever seen. This is one of the top spots that I've seen in Malta and I'm like thinking, why haven't I been here before? Your mouth is literally gonna drop when you see this. Dun dun dun! How beautiful is this? I mean, I don't know if the camera is catching it. There's like a little deep hole there that you can swim. It's like a little jacuzzi spot. And look at this cliff and the water waves just smashing against it. I wish I could swim over there with my camera to show you guys. But this is as far as you're gonna go. I am free! I know, everyone's looking at me thinking I'm crazy. But hey, we can have a bit of fun. I'm gonna enjoy my day and I will see you guys later when I'm a bit more dried up. So I decided to go to Huong Bay. This is where the Blue Lagoon is. It's right opposite there. But this little beach part, I love it. This is so beautiful. You guys can see how blue the water is. I'm so upset. My Havanas. And these are the only shoes or flip-flop that I brought with me. It's called Ramla Beach. So they're known for their red sand. Today we are making our journey to go to our next destination, St. Julian's, which is exciting. So we need to catch the ferry, make our journey all the way across town. So I'll be staying in the city. I am wearing a bit booby, if I'm honest with you, so I'm gonna wear like a little cover up top because I don't know, this little town, I feel that I dress a bit funny over here because everyone's literally staring. I think I'll blend in a lot more once I'm in the city. I think that most of the day we're gonna be just traveling across to get to town and then we're gonna find lunch or something there. But I've spent the whole entire morning packing. What is it about packing that I freaking hate? It feels like I'm squishing everything in. I just hate packing, but we're moving actually 2 locations when we arrive at St. Julian's. I'm gonna end the vlog for this week here and we're going to continue next week with our second part of the vlog for Malta. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my mini holiday trip. You can make sure you like and subscribe and I'll see you guys next week. Mwah. Bye.